Today, I understand that we're going to have a look at a more elaborate decision model.
Yes, today we're going to look at a slightly more sophisticated, perhaps more realistic example. Let's make a start with this. I am going to put in a decision here, and I'll put it roughly there. Now we're going to say that there are different decisions. Before we had a situation where we just had input from a spending score, but in reality, the spending score might be calculated, it might be itself a decision, and we'll call it spending score. So we're not just going to get a raw score from some database or spreadsheet. The higher level things, the things that are at the tail end of that arrow, to be calculated first. And Enterprise Architect is going to do the work on that. It decides which ones need to be done first based on this graph. I like to call it a graph, these arrows that are connecting up the various elements. I now can make a connection between this one and the business knowledge model and the motorist loyalty score, which is an invocation and again a decision table. And what we need to do now, Scott, is this motorist membership tier, right? It's going to get its input from these different decisions. We still need to get some input data for these particular decisions. We'll put the input data in first. So we need to input that into this one, into the decision. Now we've got this hierarchy or this graph of decisions, if you like, where our motorist membership tier is not being decided by input values per se. It's being decided by the input by different decisions.